Personally, I fell in love with the idea of living at the bottom of the sea. It's the ocean. We've explored less than 5% of our ocean world to date, in any capacity. So we have a lot left to discover. Divers in the world have an unbelievable privilege of being able to see this fantastic alien world, and a big responsibility to be the voices for what they've seen and what they've heard about the ocean. To me, Prospex is ocean explorer. It's like me. It strives to be of quality, up to the task, accessible to divers who need this kind of watch. It is something of a tool that is not only one that you can always count on, but one that you can choose for your individual taste. And you know that it will never let you down. Seiko Prospex.